Hey guys, welcome back to another new video. So in this video we are going to have a look on BlackBerry. So I have made videos on BlackBerry long time ago. So I have been looking for actually content to make something like to make them useful. But basically the BlackBerries are dead now. Even BlackBerry OS 10 devices also not running properly. So I have actually many of them right now. So I have some others BlackBerry in my box, but I cannot find them right now. So here I have like BlackBerry 9900 and 9790 maybe. This is BlackBerry Q10 and this is BlackBerry Classic. So I haven't shown my BlackBerry Classic in any of my videos, and I haven't made any kind of videos on BlackBerry Classic because this device has some issue. So maybe I can't show you because the charging port here actually destroyed, and I was trying to replace this connector, but strangely enough the connector is actually different here. So it's although most of the connector has their pin on this side, actually around this side, but this one has in the flat side. So I could not able to find one connector that can be put there, and maybe I will buy like a dead device to replace that one. And this device actually working just perfectly fine because I had tried the battery by charging forcefully with my charger which can charge the dead batteries. So I have tried with that, and I was able to go in the OS and just roam around, but not really for a long time. I could not able to test, and this is still here with me like 2-3 months. I haven't done anything, but the rest of them actually working just fine. So let's go with BlackBerry 9700, BlackBerry 7090. So this is one of my favorite device because it is really cute and small, and it is not heavy like others I have here. And this one also has like touch and type, and one thing about this device is that it has really good camera actually. So camera performance is really good on this device, and I have taken some photos. Although it is 5 megapixel camera, but it is working just fine, really good. And one thing about BlackBerries, all the BlackBerries, is that they connect to the to networks and to Wi-Fi. It's much better than like Nokia Symbian devices. Symbian devices has some issue like connecting to the Wi-Fi. You have to go there and you have to send choose the access point and other things. Many things you have to do. But in BlackBerry, you don't have to. You just connect once, it will connect and you can browse. So currently I have connected to my Wi-Fi, and if I click here, as you can see, Opera menu working just fine. And basically this device is actually mostly you can use for 3 things. One is for call and messaging, another is for listening to the music, and third thing is like taking a bit, like if you have nothing to do, just take little photos, and nothing else you can do with these devices. And actually I would love that if someone make this kind of device again, I will buy that one actually. I saw actually Unihertz Titan, like the big device, bulky one. It's look like BlackBerry Q10 size, but it is really bulky. And I hope some company make Android devices on this form factor with this kind of keyboard. It will be great actually, because I have been using my BlackBerry Q10 for a long time, and I was using actually mostly my WhatsApp here. But in few days back, actually, the BlackBerry actually are not working with any kind of WhatsApp. So if I connect to the WhatsApp now, and I made a short video about that actually, that BlackBerry is required to update WhatsApp. But as this device actually running on Android, although it's Android, but it is running on very old version of Android, so you can't really install WhatsApp right now. It's all gone now. So basically you can do 2 things here. You can use Facebook Lite, Facebook Messenger, or you can install the Facebook Messenger old version. It will work just fine. So if I agree, as you can see here, outdate on April 3rd, 2023. Now it's not working, and if you download it, it will not work because of the Android version is running on. So this device is running on Android. So if I go to Holo Launcher here, so as you can see, it's brought me like Android-like interface here. If I go to like menu here, you can see all the apps, and if you go to setting, you can see the Android is still sitting, but it is that static. And if I go about phone, you can see it's running on Android 4.3. I think BlackBerry could make this like run on like basically on Android. That would be very good. And but they put their screen on top of those things like Nokia did. Nokia with their Nokia X lineup, which was really bad. And I have reviewed like Nokia X2, which is actually struggling to run actually most of the time. Although it is an Android device, but it was struggling to run. This is actually a much better device. This has actually really good spec, like 2 gig of RAM and 16 gig of storage, quite enough for 2013 maybe this phone was released, so it was quite good at the time. But for now, it is really bad, and the camera quality is very average on this device. Basically, it is also really good dumb phone right now, because you can also use this device for like to take I don't think you will take photos with this device. You can browse a little bit, you can make phone calls and messaging, which is really good. And this device will work on a European market, because this one got like 4G LTE, so you will not have any issue with like connecting to the networks. But if you buy like 9900 or 9790, those will not work in European market. But in my country, like Asian countries, this device working just fine. So I love this device, but I can't use this device right now, and I'm really sad about this kind of thing. And previously, I used to use this one, actually, New Pipe Legacy, to watch the YouTube video. Although you can browse YouTube video directly through your browser, but it is quite laggy. But this app actually quite good back then, but it is now not working. Maybe YouTube had shut it down this kind of server, because this one is actually accessing YouTube videos. So as you can see, it doesn't load anything. If I try to load if I search my videos, let me search. Previously I was watching, because this one can run like, you can watch video in like background, so you don't need to watch the video, just you can listen to the music. So as you can see, it doesn't show anything right now, but it did load up the my YouTube channel, as you can see here, and videos. So if I try to load the video, let's try it. Can I watch? No. So the videos are actually, as you can see, it's trying to load the videos, but maybe it will not load, because as I said, it is now not working. Some issue with that. Even I have tried to install like JTube, which was working in my Symbian devices, but it also like I can't use that too here. Like JTube is also not working. I have installed JTube on one of my device, maybe this device, to try. So if I tap on JTube, you cannot do anything. So basically, if you want like games and other things, I think it's much better to go with Symbian. And I have said it's long. Yeah, maybe this video is working, but I cannot like see the, yeah, it's working. But as you can see here, the video is working. But if you go directly to the channel, they will not show anything here, and it doesn't load the home page basically. So if I go to my channel, it doesn't show anything, and they don't load like the page, but it's partially working. But previously it was working perfectly fine. But if I go to browser and directly search YouTube, it will load the old older version of YouTube page, which does work, but it is quite sluggish. It is also, this device is not really good to watch videos, but if you have this device laying around, maybe you can do something with this device. But in Q10 you can watch YouTube videos, but these devices you can't do anything here. So this is quite bummer actually. So I have been looking for the tricks, something to do with this kind of device, but basically these devices are quite dead now. It's basically dumbest phone here, because nowadays the dumb phones are running on KaiOS. You can use like WhatsApp and other things. It's much smarter than these devices and perform much better than these devices in like Google Maps and other things. But these devices kind of sucks now, and I have been collecting this device for a long time now. I don't know what I will do with this device. Let's see. So thank you very much for watching, and I will see you next time.